Are you struggling to find hearty gluten-free vegan meals that are easy to meal prep? Join me as I show you my Sunday meal prep ritual for fall and winter, picking a soup, stew, and either a sandwich or a salad for the week. While I love using my Instapot, don't worry, I've got the stovetop version on my website too for you. First up, we got this split pea soup. It's warm, filling, and perfect for those chilly fall and winter evenings. I love how easy it is to throw everything in the Instapot and let it do its thing. This recipe is a great meal prep dream. It's prep time. Start off by chopping 2 cups of celery. I like to use my 2-cup glass Pyrex to measure. Next, peel and chop 4 shallots. I like using shallots because they have a slightly sweet and sharp flavor. Next, I rinse the potatoes and chop them up into similar sized pieces so they can cook evenly. I use baby tomatoes, but you can use any potatoes you want. Next, cut up 2 cups of baby carrots, again using the 2-cup Pyrex to measure. Then I took out a bowl colander and rinsed the split peas, filling and draining the water 4 times. Now it's time to get out the Instapot, remove the lid, and hit the saute button. Once it heats up, I add a 1/4 cup of water, shallots, and minced garlic, or over oil when I saute. This will heat up relatively quickly. Next, add the celery and carrots. This will allow them to get a little soft before the pot goes on. Next, add the frozen peas. This will allow them to thaw a little bit. Now it's time to add the spices: thyme, oregano, and paprika. Turn off the saute, then get ready to add the remaining ingredients. Start off by adding some of the vegetable broth, then the split peas. Next, add the potatoes. Now add the remaining broth. Make sure to fill the pot to the max line. Don't forget to add the bay leaf. Smudge it down into the soup. Before you shut the lid, mix all the ingredients and give it a good stir. Lock the lid and set the pressure to cook for 10 minutes with a 10-minute natural release. After you release the pressure, again, give the soup a good stir and wait a full 5 minutes before you portion. Don't forget to spoon out the bay leaves. This recipe yielded 8 pints plus a tasting portion. And there you have it, our Instapot vegan split pea soup is ready to be enjoyed. Next, we're making the mushroom green risotto. It's rich, earthy, and packed with flavor. Don't let risotto scare you. This gluten-free version is super simple, and I'll show you how to get that perfect creamy texture. Start prepping by rinsing an 8-ounce pack of mushrooms. Pat them dry and then dice them up. Portion 2 cups of arborio rice and then rinse it in a bowl colander. Turn on the saute mode on the Instapot. Once hot, add the minced garlic and a 1/4 cup of water and let it simmer for a few minutes. Hit cancel on the Instapot, then add the diced mushrooms, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 2 cups of rice. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast and give it a good stir. This will add a very slightly cheesy flavor. Now lock the lid on the Instapot. Hit pressure cook for 7 minutes, and this will be a 5-minute natural release. While the Instapot works its magic, prep your green beans. If using canned, you can just give them a quick rinse. Or if you're using fresh green beans, they can just be added directly to the pot when it's cooking. Once the pressure has been released, add in your green beans and let everything sit for a few minutes before serving. This recipe yielded approximately 7 pint-sized portions plus a tasting portion, perfect for your weekly meal prep. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days or freeze them for later enjoyment. And there you have it, folks. Creamy, flavorful risotto is ready in a fraction of time thanks to our trusty Instapot. Finally, we're whipping up some flavorful bean burgers. They're packed with protein, crispy on the outside, and tender on the inside. Here's what you'll need: mix, measuring cups, water, bowl, spatula, avocado spray, a few paper towels, and a burger mold. Spray avocado spray on both sides of the mold. Use a paper towel to spread it out evenly. For this video, I'm going to make the 8-burger recipe on the back of the package, but my mold is only going to hold 7 burgers. So first we're going to start off by portioning 2 cups of the dried mix and dump it in a bowl. Next I'm going to add the water to the mix and stir till it's all wet. Then I'm going to take the mixture and dump it in the bottom of the mold. Let it sit for 10 minutes while the mix hardens. The mold is not needed for this recipe. It just makes the process so much easier. The mix can be very sticky in your hands. Now put the mold on top, flip it over, open it up, then close it again, and open it up. Now we're all ready to cook these up. Heat a 10-inch nonstick pan. Now place all 7 burgers in the pan. Cook each side for 5 minutes each. Each side will be lightly browned. I prefer to serve these burgers on a ciabatta bun with pickles, ketchup, mustard, and sliced tomato. All right, now let's give this a taste. It's delicious. Make sure to make a double batch so you always have leftovers for the next couple of days. We love this mix so much that now we buy it in the 4-gallon bucket. We saved 94 cents an ounce, which is a big savings. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more yummy recipes, and let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Check my website for full printable recipes, and most of the products and ingredients I used in these are linked in the description below. And I'll see you next time.